Okay, we've got the OCR June 2023 trig equation question. Looks harmless enough, but it caused a lot of problems. Marked this for OCR this year. Saw some different ways of doing it, so I thought I'd share. So the straightforward thing actually is the easiest way to do it is to divide it through by cos, which doesn't always look the best way, but as it turns out, it is the sine x over cos x, and then the sec times 1 over cos, and this one just becomes 4, so it's dividing through by cos x. Now this just becomes 2 tan x. This one's sec squared, 1 over cos is sec, remember? So we've got 4 on the right hand side. The sec squared becomes 1 plus tan squared, and then we've got an equation in tan then. And it actually factorizes. We've got tan squared, 2 tan x, and then minus 3. So tan x is either 1 or minus 3. See it in your calculator. It's looking for values between minus pi and plus pi. So the calculator says pi over 4. We only go up to pi, so we need to take a pi off to get minus 3 pi over 4. The tan x is minus 3. Tan minus 1 and minus 3 gives you minus 1.25. This time I'm going to add a pi to it and get the other value that's in between minus pi and pi. Another way, you could multiply through by cos instead rather than dividing. So you get 2 sine x cos x. This becomes 1. And then we've got 4 cos squared. Looks bad, but the right hand side, we can actually write the 1 as sine squared plus cos squared, and leave the right hand side alone. And then this right hand side is actually sine x plus cos x all squared, because you've got sine squared and cos squared, and the middle term then would be sine x times cos x and cos x times sine x equals 4 cos squared x. So you've got something squared equals something squared, and then you can square root both sides then. So that's sine x plus cos x. Well, it's either plus 2 cos x or minus 2 cos x. You don't need to plus or minus this side because you end up with the same things really. It's either the sine x plus cos x is the same sign as 2 cos x, or it's different. If you made this a minus and this a minus, it'd be the same as this a plus and this a plus. And then moving the plus or minus 2 cos x over, or the cos x over, sorry, taking cos x off both sides. So you'll have 2 cos x minus cos x gives you this. Then the minus 2 cos x minus the cos x gives you this. And then dividing by cos x gives you tan x equals 1, or tan x equals minus 3 like before, which I think is a nice method. Or you can take this over. So you have minus 3 cos squared when you take the 4 cos squared over, and this then actually factorizes. So sine x minus cos x times sine x plus 3 cos x, because you've got minus of cos x sine x there, and plus 3 gives you the 2 sine x cos x. And again, this one gives you sine x equals cos x, or sine x equals minus 3 cos x,